มาเลยจ้ามาเลยจ้าครับผมมาเลยจ้ามาเลยจ้าลงได้ครับ
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Cheese chicken. Damn. Dude, that was a quick chicken warm up. Okay, so it looks like there's like balls over there, and I think this is like a cream puff. I'll go with this one. I don't know what this is. I try this one. Strawberry. Okay. I don't need a bag. I eat now. All right, guys. I think this is a strawberry dessert, as she mentioned. Yeah, it's pretty good. There's actually like a lot of white cream inside. Damn. And it's really sweet. Excellent. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, guys. One chicken down, one dessert down. How much is one sausage? One. How much? 5? And also 5? 5 out? Thank you. But it's chicken or beef? What is it? Pork? Chicken. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, found myself a piece of chicken. This cost me 5 baht, and I'm about to give it a try. So 5 baht, how much is that in US cents? Maybe like 15 cents. Okay, this is really interesting. This chicken has like rice inside. Do you guys see it? It's really good. Guys, there's a lot of food here. I need to be really careful how much I eat and what I eat. Oh, wow. Damn. Just found some more chicken, and this place is crazy. There's like chicken grilling right over here. Steaming red hot. So this is like old chicken right here. How much?
30 baht.
30 baht for one.
Chick.
Yeah? Okay. I take. This chicken is kind of expensive. 30 baht for one piece. The other one I bought was only 15 baht. So this is like double the price. Yeah, beautiful this. Yeah. Yeah, it's like crispy. Yeah, guys, this chicken is nice. It's crispy. It's juicy. Oh, yeah. I would say this is my favorite chicken so far. The other one was good, but this one's better. It's really hot. Wow. So here's the one bucket. Here's the second bucket. Beautiful. And we got the wings here. Wow, and we got more chicken here too with sausage. Go there? Okay. I think they called my name. What is this? what is this, bro? Actually, I'm gonna try the ball. You have a green tea?
1 piece 15 baht.
And this one? 15? Okay. I take one. Thank you. my first green ball of the night. It will definitely not be my last. I think this is made from rice. Right behind me are the cutest bunnies, and they only cost $5 US. They cost 150 baht. This is that's the price right here. Hello. Just found orange juice. One bottle costs 10 baht, and it's all freshly made, all fresh squeezed. I take one. Okay. I also take orange juice too. Yeah, the squeeze not that bad. Egg squid. Okay, everybody, I just bought myself egg squid. This cost me 20 baht, and before that I had another squid. So this is like 60 cents, maybe 58 cents. Tastes like fish. They get like I don't know how many types of sushi, like 30, 25. Just found some balls again. I take one. Oh no, it's okay. I eat now. Thank you. I asked her how much the balls were. She's like 1,000 baht. I hope she was joking. I really don't know what this is. It's like a rubber. But it's pretty good. Okay, 2 balls at the same time. I just found pork sausages. One pork sausage costs 6 baht, which is like 17 US cents. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Okay guys, sausage up next. Let's see how the sausage tastes. Ooh. Really spicy. And it's like sour too. Like as soon as you eat it, You taste it, you taste the sourness, but it's like really, really good. And there's also, inside the sausage, I think there's garlic as well. But it's hot. Thank you. I'm not really sure if this is like 100% like real coconut. I think maybe there's like syrup inside as well. Oh, taste it? Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Taste it? Okay. I would just stop for that to try a little pancake. And it's black. Sweet, sweet. I will.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very nice. I got a pancake. Yeah, the black thing, I don't know what it is, but there's like white cream with a little green things on top of my my black blanket. Thank you. Thank you. I don't even know if I can finish it, but I was given the soup, and apparently at this table where I'm sitting at, they have like all types of vegetables that you can put inside of the soup. Watch this. They got this vegetable, they got cabbage, they got cucumbers, prawns, cucumbers more, cabbage, carrots, and some other things too. Look at the soup. There's mushrooms in here, chicken. It's really slimy. I think it's like a Chinese sweet and sour soup. Let's give it a taste. It's really good. It does remind me a lot of the Chinese sweet and sour soup. Yeah, this is like garlic inside, chicken, prawns. It's like a jello, yo. But the soup is really, really good. And very, very slimy. There's like hundreds and hundreds of jeans here at this market, all for 78 baht. This place has got bags, toys, clothes, I don't know, wallets, $10 wallets, $8 wallets. No food here, thank God. Check out the cute bunnies again. One bunny is 150 baht. It's like $5 or $4 it costs. I think this is a girl. That's a girl. That's a girl. And that's a girl too. And that's a squirrel. Oh, beautiful. Hey. Suck my finger. Oh. Whoa. Look at the small fingers. Hey. I think this is my favorite one. I like her the best. What is going on? Okay guys, the hamsters are 80 baht. We got a concert going on right now. We got a concert, baby. This is awesome. Where's everybody? All right, guys, this is it for me. This will probably be my last food market in Thailand, because I really need to work on my weight. Alright guys, this will be the end of our market tour in Krabi town. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you guys all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm about to go to sleep. Way too much food.